Good evening, friends and colleagues. This is Vinod Menu. I just wanted to tell you about this Respondent app, which is very much good app for making money. It's a genuine app also. So, while clicking on respondent.com, or I'll share you the link, that will be perfect for you to register it. Then, after clicking on Respondent app, you will find profile details. Profile such as phone number, then email verified. Email needs to be verified. That is your personal email ID, then your photo. And also, if you are working, you can add work email ID that I have not added since now. So, after this, the profile is completed. Then you can go for work email ID and all. After they will ask number of questions regarding your profile and what you are doing and all. So you have to mention it clearly. It also determines your projects for that. So after the profile is completed, you need to go on the projects and you need to click on remote, because in person you can't do it, because it will be there in European countries, and you can apply filter and search. So it's coming the new project seeking IT professionals. 120 is the amount, 120 USD is the amount. And also in this you can also refer a friend and earn $50 USD if he does it, if he receives invitation for that, and if he successfully completes, you can receive a payment of 50 USDs. So that's it. So you can browse the project, load the project means you can just click on seeking IT professional, then start qualifying screener. So they'll ask you need to have work email ID to participate in this. So in this connection, I can't participate in that. There are a number of projects without work email ID, without screener and all. So you can participate in that. For example, I'll show you my this your projects. Click on your projects. You will get every details of the projects in your projects. So look, seeking people who receive company stock as compensation. So I have already sent a request. It's sent on June 12th, 2020. But the researcher has to respond to that. Then only it will be okay. Then the status will be shown, scheduled at what time and all. It will be shown. That's it about this project. And you can refer as many as friends and earn 50 USD for every 5 friends. Every 5 friends who join the project to complete the project successfully. That's it. It's a good site and it's a genuine site. You can rely on this site, not like other Indian sites who are asking for a fee or a deposit. So that's it regarding. I wish to share this information with you all guys. Thank you, my dear colleagues.